Hey, what's up everybody, Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Tronsmart Bang SE. And now Tronsmart has just released its Bang Mini. And now this Bang SE, this wouldn't be available until this December. But Tronsmart was kind enough to let me give you guys a sneak peek of it. Alright, so I will just walk you through some key specifications. So first is this bright stereo sound. Okay, I'm not sure how bright it is. We'll test that at the end of this video. And then it has a staggering 24 hours of playtime. Wow, you can basically party with the speaker all day long or night long, as long as your neighbors are okay with it. And also it has a detachable strap. That's great. And output power is 40 watts, which is the lowest among the three. And speaking of the three, Bang Mini and Bang SE, I will just list the difference of the three on the screen. You can check them out. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, this is what that's included in the box. We have some paperwork, 2 cables, a strap, and of course the Bang SE. Now first let's take a look at the design. So this is the strap that houses different physical keys, power key, sound pulse, minus key, and this plus key, and play pause. This is the stereo speaker pairing key, and this for lights. Move to the back. We have several ports there. Wow, this is very tight because it has IPX waterproof rating, right? So here we have the reset button, USB-A, input, aux, and TF card. That's the same as the Bang Mini. Speaking of Bang Mini, let's just compare them head to head. So this part is like almost the same. They just switched a few buttons, to different location. And obviously on the back you have this hook for the strap, right? And another thing I noticed is like on the Bang Mini is like all covered with this fabric thing, but on the Bang SE only it doesn't have that fabric thing, right? Just like this. I'm not sure if this makes the sound brighter. And once turned on, I will show you later, here we'll have lights. It has 3 different light modes, where on the Bang Mini it does not. It only has the side light. So I just went through the manual of the Bang SE. Seems like it's exactly the same as the Bang Mini, so I'm not going to repeat that. Alright, if you are curious to know how to operate, you just check out my previous video. Right now, let's get to the most important thing, the sound, that bright sound. Right here in this video, I will just play several sounds just on the Bang SE. Right, later I will compare with the Bang Mini, the Bang, and let you guys decide which one has the best sound.
you could take